It's that time of year where you're going to get bombarded by a lot of YouTube videos about the iPhone 16, all of its features, the fact that it is the greatest iPhone of all time. But the question remains, should you upgrade? And based on some of the rumors I've read and just my feelings about smartphones in general, I don't think that it's going to be a worthwhile upgrade for me, but it may be for you if you fit certain criteria. We all know the new iPhones are going to have faster chips, better camera performance, and at this point, it's very predictable about what is going to be improved over last year's model, even if the improvements are marginal at best. I like to figure out, how does the new iPhone change the way that I use it? iOS has remained the same since the first iPhone, and while during the first couple of iPhones, each upgrade represented a big leap forward, recently, these leaps have just become small steps. My 13 Pro works as well as my 15 Pro, despite the fact that the 13 Pro is 2 years old. Well, 3 at this point. I can still do 98% of the things on my 13 Pro as I can on the 15 Pro, and in addition to the 16 Pro. These are the circumstances where perhaps upgrading makes a lot more sense. If you are a user who has an iPhone 12, 11, maybe you have a 13 or 10R, updating to the 16 represents a big leap forward. Not only you get a brand new design, you get bigger screens, which some people love, and you get to see all of the incremental improvements Apple has made over the past couple of years when you make that significant of a jump. The second criteria is, of course, your ability to afford the iPhone. You don't want to go into debt just to get the latest and greatest from Apple that's going to be discontinued a year from now. Third, if you really want to use Apple Intelligence, however, you can make the point that you could just upgrade to the 15 Pro or the Pro Max and get Apple Intelligence features there. Of course, Apple is going to lock some Apple Intelligence features to the iPhone 16 in order to make it more appealing. But I think for 99% of the task you will use Apple Intelligence for, the 15 Pro series will do just fine. It's very likely that the iPhone 16 would be released on September 20th, which is my birthday. So it would be a nice birthday gift, but at the same time, it would feel completely useless because my 15 Pro for the past year has been working phenomenally. The 13 Pro that I also have, that's still going strong. So I don't care about the iPhone 16. And maybe you do. Are you going to upgrade to the iPhone 16? Let me know in the comments. Thank you all for watching. It really helps me out. And until next time, I will see you in the next video. Take care.